Hello, and welcome back to Nuance Art, your go-to channel for home design and interior inspiration. Today, we're diving into the serene world of rustic elegance, with a special feature on 11 simple stone houses nestled in lush forests. These homes celebrate the perfect blend of rugged materials and timeless beauty, offering inspiration for anyone who appreciates nature-driven architecture. As we explore these beautiful homes, let us know which design speaks to you the most by dropping a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy this content, and subscribe to Nuance Art for more breathtaking home and interior ideas. Ready to journey into the heart of rustic charm? Let's get started. Stone has long been a cornerstone of rustic design. Its raw, natural aesthetic pairs seamlessly with forest settings, creating homes that look like they've grown organically from the earth itself. These stone houses demonstrate how durable materials can create warm, inviting living spaces, whether it's rough-hewn stone walls or smooth river rock finishes. Each texture tells a story of resilience and connection to nature. Combined with wood, iron, and other natural elements, stone structures are not just homes, they're sanctuaries. From centuries-old traditions to modern rustic twists, these homes stand as timeless examples of sustainable, enduring architecture. Our first stop is a quaint stone cottage surrounded by a dense forest canopy. This home embraces simplicity with its compact design and soft, earthy tones. The stone exterior blends effortlessly with the natural surroundings, while large windows invite the forest indoors. The interior continues the theme with exposed wooden beams, a central stone fireplace, and cozy nooks perfect for curling up with a book. This design reminds us that simplicity doesn't mean sacrificing comfort, it means enhancing it with thoughtful details and natural materials. Next, we visit rustic villas that offer a larger scale interpretation of forest living. These homes boast expansive stone facades, terrace gardens, and open courtyards that make the most of their scenic settings. Despite their grandeur, these villas maintain a grounded, inviting feel. Stone pillars and arches frame the architecture, while natural wood accents and soft lighting add warmth. These homes are perfect for families or anyone looking to bring a touch of rustic elegance to their lives without losing the connection to nature. Rustic doesn't always mean traditional. In this segment, we explore modern rustic homes that blend stone with contemporary materials like glass and steel. These houses feature clean lines, open layouts, and minimalist interiors that emphasize the beauty of the surrounding forest. Imagine waking up in a room framed by floor-to-ceiling glass, with sunlight streaming through the trees and bouncing off stone walls. This is rustic elegance redefined, pairing simplicity with a bold, modern edge. Rustic stone homes often align perfectly with sustainable living principles. The materials are locally sourced, the designs are energy efficient, and the construction harmonizes with the natural landscape. These homes are not just beautiful, they're environmentally responsible. In one of the houses, solar panels discreetly complement a traditional stone roof. Inside, the home features energy-efficient heating, relying on thermal mass principles to stay warm in winter and cool in summer. It's a perfect example of how rustic charm and sustainability go hand in hand. Rustic stone homes often come with outdoor spaces that enhance the living experience. Think stone patios, natural pools, and fire pits surrounded by the forest. These areas serve as extensions of the house, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Imagine gathering with friends around a stone fire pit under a star-filled sky, or enjoying a morning coffee on a patio overlooking a misty forest. These outdoor spaces are as thoughtfully designed as the homes themselves, ensuring every moment spent there feels magical. Step inside these stone houses, and you'll find interiors that celebrate the raw beauty of natural materials. Exposed stone walls, reclaimed wood floors, and handmade furniture create spaces that are both luxurious and down-to-earth. Lighting plays a crucial role, with soft, warm tones accentuating the textures of stone and wood. Many homes also feature open layouts that allow for fluid movement and a sense of spaciousness, proving that rustic doesn't mean cluttered, it means cozy and intentional. From the forests of Europe to the wilderness of North America, rustic stone homes draw inspiration from diverse regions. Each design adapts to its environment while maintaining a universal appeal. Whether it's a chalet in the Alps or a cabin in the Rockies, these homes remind us of the beauty in living simply and harmoniously with nature. They're not just houses, they're a lifestyle, a retreat from the chaos of modern life into the peace of the natural world. And there, you have it, a collection of 11 breathtaking rustic stone houses that showcase the timeless beauty of simplicity and nature. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through rustic elegance, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Nuansa Art. Your support helps us continue to bring you inspiring content about home design and interiors. Until next time, stay inspired and keep dreaming of beautiful spaces.